Hello dear students, question 9 exercise 4.3. The two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3 by 8 hours. The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. In this question हमें दो टैप्स दी गई हैं, एक टैप जिसका डायमीटर ज़्यादा है, एक टैप जिसका डायमीटर कम है. अगर दोनों टैप्स मिलके टैंक को फिल करती हैं देन बोथ विल टेक टाइम 9 3 by 8 hours. तो दोनों को 9 3 by 8 hours टाइम लगता है. अगर लार्जर टैप अकेली टैंक को फिल करते हैं वो स्मॉलर टैप से 10 hours कम टाइम लेती है. And in this question we have to find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. अगर दोनों टैप्स अलग अलग टैंक को फिल करती हैं तो दोनों टैप्स कितना टाइम लेंगी. So in this type of questions we always suppose the time taken by larger tap. हमने सपोज किया है कि जो लार्जर टैप है जिसका डायमीटर ज़्यादा है उसको टाइम कितना लगता है टैंक फिल करने के लिए x hours. तो हमें दिया गया है कि जो लार्जर टैप है वो 10 घंटे कम लेती है स्मॉलर टैप से. तो टाइम टेकन बाय स्मॉलर टैप टू फिल द टैंक इज, जो स्मॉलर टैप है वो लार्जर से 10 घंटे ज़्यादा लेगी क्योंकि हमें दिया गया है कि लार्जर टैप 10 घंटे कम लेती है. सो टाइम टेकन बाय स्मॉलर टैप टू फिल द टैंक इज एक्स बाय लार्जर टैप, तो x + 10 बाय स्मॉलर टैप. सो ये वाले क्वेश्चन जैसे हमने एक्सरसाइज 3.6 में वर्क डन वाले वर्क क्वेश्चंस किए थे जिसमें हम 1 डे का वर्क निकालते थे, उसी तरह इन क्वेश्चंस में हम 1 आवर का वर्क निकालेंगे कि 1 घंटे में टैप ने कितना टैंक में पानी फिल किया. नाउ लार्जर टैप कैन फिल द टैंक इन 1 आवर. 1 घंटे में कैसे 1/x, जैसे 1 डे का निकालते थे 1 टोटल वर्क, total days taken by man. So now total hours taken by tap. Total hour is x. So 1 घंटे में टैप को कितना टैंक फिल किया 1/x. Now similarly smaller tap can fill tank in 1 hour. Can fill tank in 1 hour. Is 1/ total time taken by small tap is x + 10. So we have to find in 1 hour. So 1/x + 10. Now is both in cases 1/x or 1/x + 10 is for 1 hour. Case 4 of 1 hour. ये दोनों जो हमने लिया है लार्जर टैंक को, जो लार्जर टैप है वो टैंक को फिल करती है 1/x 1 घंटे में, जो स्मॉलर टैप है वो टैंक को फिल करती है 1 घंटे में 1/x + 10. तो हमें अगर दोनों टैप्स मिलके 1 घंटे में कितना काम करेंगी, लार्जर टैप एंड स्मॉलर टैप कैन फिल टैंक इन 1 hour. फिल द टैंक इन 1 hour. 1 घंटे में कितना दोनों ने टैंक को फिल किया, लार्जर ने 1/x और स्मॉलर ने 1/x + 10. दिस इज टेकिंग एज फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. नाउ हमें दिया गया कि दोनों टैप्स मिलके टाइम कितना लेती है 9 3 by 8 hours. So total time taken by both taps to fill tank is 9 3 by 8 hours. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में दिया गया है. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को पहले सिंपल फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करो. 9 8 जा 72 + 3 दैट इज 75/8 hours. जो 75/8 है ये टोटल टाइम है जो दोनों टैप्स ने टैंक को फिल करने के लिए लिया है. तो both now we will find work done in 1 hour. 1 घंटे में टैंक को कितना फिल किया दोनों टैप्स ने. So both taps fill tank in 1 hour is always taken 1 upon total time. Total time is 75/8. Write on the 75/8. Now there is two fractions, 1 upon, so always take the reciprocal of denominator. 75/8 becomes 8/75. नाउ दोनों टैप्स ने 1 घंटे में कितना टैंक को फिल किया है? 8/75. नाउ दिस इज टाइम 1/x plus 1/x plus 10. This is taken as second equation from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 दोनों टैप्स ने 1 आवर में कितना काम किया? 1/x plus 1/x plus 10. This is also same. Both taps can fill in tank in 1 hour is 8/75. So both are equal. Now taking their LCM to solve this equation. Now LCM is x plus 10. Similarly, x divides x cancels. We have left with x plus 10. x plus 10 को जब 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया x plus 10. Now x plus 10 cancels. We left with only x. X is multiplied by 1, that is x upon is equal to 8/75. X plus x 2x plus 10 upon multiply. X is multiplied by x square plus 10x equal to 8/75. Now by cross multiply, 2x plus 10 multiplied by 75 equal to 8 is multiplied by x square plus 10x. Now 150x plus 750 equal to 8x square plus 80x. Shift all values to left side by changing their sign. Then the equation reduces to 150x plus 750 minus 8x square minus 80x equal to 0. Now 8x square 150x minus 80, that is 70x plus 750x, which is quadratic equation. To make it simple, so divide by -4 both sides, -2 both sides, divide by -2. So 4x square plus 35x, and we divide by minus, so change the sign also. Minus become plus, plus sign plus 70 become minus 35, plus 750 become minus 375, which is quadratic in x. So compared with ax square plus bx plus equal 0. So a is coefficient of x square, that is 4. B is coefficient of x, that minus 35. C is constant term, that is 3 minus 375. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is equal to, b is minus 35 whole square minus 4, a is 4, c is minus 375. Now 35 multiply by 35, that is 1225, multiply 3 terms, that is 6,725, which is greater than 0. So we can find the value of x. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. B is minus 35 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 7,225 upon 2a. A is 4. Now firstly find the square root of 7,225 in rough work. In rough work, we have find the square root of 7,225 is 85. Now x is equal to 35 plus minus square root of 7,225 is 85 upon 8. Now x is equal to 35 plus 85 upon 2, 8, and 35 minus 85 upon 8. So x is equal to 120 upon 8 and minus 50 upon 8. X is 15 and minus 25 upon 4. We have two values of x. One is 15, other is minus 20 by 4. X in starting we have suppose x is time taken by larger tap to fill the tank. So time cannot be negative. So reject the value of x equal to minus 25 by 4. So x equal to minus 25 by 4 value is rejected. So we will consider only x equal to 15. So larger tap takes time to fill the tank separately is 15 hours, and the smaller tap takes time to fill tank separately is 10 hours more than large tap. That is 15 plus 10 is 25 hours. So x is equal to 15. Large tap fill the tank in 15 hours and the smaller tap fill the tank at 15 plus 10 because smaller taps takes 10 hours more than from larger tap. So 25 hours taken by smaller tap. Now question 10th. An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 किलोमीटर between मैसूर and Bangalore. इन इस क्वेश्चन में हमें दो ट्रेन दी गई हैं, एक एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है, एक पैसेंजर ट्रेन है. जो एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है वो 1 घंटा कम लेती है पैसेंजर ट्रेन से अगर दोनों ट्रेन से 132 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करना है. इफ द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन इज 11 किलोमीटर पर आवर. जो एवरेज एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन है उसकी स्पीड हमें दी गई है 11 किलोमीटर पर आवर, मोर देन दैट ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रेन. जो एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन की जो स्पीड है वो 11 किलोमीटर पर आवर पैसेंजर ट्रेन से ज़्यादा है. तो वी हैव टू फाइंड द एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ टू ट्रेन्स. हमने दोनों ट्रेन्स की एवरेज स्पीड को फाइंड करना है. सो वी सपोज दैट एवरेज स्पीड ऑफ पैसेंजर ट्रेन इज x because passenger train speed of passenger train is smaller than the larger express train. Let the average speed of passenger train is x kilometer per hour. Then the average speed of express train is 11 kilometer more than passenger train. So x plus 11 kilometer per hour. Now distance between Mysore and Bangalore is 132. So distance is 132 kilometer. Now time taken by passenger train is time. We can find the time by distance upon speed. Distance is 132. Speed of passenger train is x. So 132 by x hours. Similarly, time taken by express train. Now distance is same, so that is 132. Speed of express train is x plus 11. So distance upon speed 132 upon x plus 11 hours. This is time taken by express train. Now we are also given that the express train takes 1 hour less than from the passenger train. So difference between their time is 1 hour. We are given according to question. Express train takes less time from the passenger train. So this is greater term. So 132 upon x minus 132 upon x plus 11 equal to 1 hour. We are given express train takes 1 hour less than from passenger train, means difference between their time is 1 hour. Now taking the LCM, x and x plus 11. Similarly, x cancels. 132 is multiplied by x plus 11. Similarly, x plus 11 cancels. We left with only x. 132 is multiplied by x equal to 1. Now multiply by x. 132 is multiplied by x, that is 132x. Now multiply by 11. 1452. minus 132x upon x square minus 11x equal to 1. 132x cancels. So by cross multiply, x square equal to x square plus 11x plus equal to 1452. Reduces into quadratic equation. So x square plus 11x minus 1452 equal to 0, which is quadratic equation in x. So compared with a, x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So a is 1, b is 11, c is minus 1452. And now b square minus 4ac. 11 square minus 4a is 1, c is minus 1452. 11 is multiplied by 11, that is 121. Multiply all these terms. So value is 15808. So adding these numbers 5929, which is greater than 0. So we can find the value of x by formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now substitute the values. B is 11 plus minus b square minus 4ac is 5929 upon 2a. That is plus 11 plus minus 5929 upon 2. Now find the square root of 5929 in rough work. So finding the square root, making their pairs, 29 as pair, now 59. So it goes on 7, 7 7 is 79, 7 7 is 49, 10, now 29. You all of now how to find the square root. So find the square root in rough work. 7 7 is 49, 28 plus 32, 10. This is the square root of 5929 is 77. So x is equal to 11 plus minus 77 upon 2. Now for finding the value of x, firstly we take positive sign, that is 11 plus 77 by 2, and then we take negative sign, that is 11 minus 77 by 2. 88 by 2 and 66 by 2. Here is negative minus 11. So minus 11. Minus 11 plus 77, that is minus 66. Sorry. Minus 66 upon 2. Here is minus 11 plus minus 77. That is minus 88. So this is 33 and minus 44 is 66 upon 2. Now minus 44, speed of any train cannot be negative. So x equal to minus 44 is rejected. We will consider only x equal to 33. The speed of passenger train is 33 km per hour, and express train whose speed is 11 more than from the passenger train, that is 33 plus 11 km per hour. That the speed of express train is 44 km per hour. Thank you.